On Make It Bake It today, we are making gluten-free, light, fluffy waffles. So, let's get to it. These delicious waffles are both gluten-free and dairy-free. If you'd like to make them yourself, head over to our website to view the full recipe. The link is in the description below. First, combine the wet ingredients. Add almond milk, olive oil, and vanilla. Separate 3 eggs into yolks and whites. Add the wet ingredients from before to the egg yolks and whisk together. Save the egg whites for later. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients. Make sure that the bowl is large enough to add the rest of the ingredients later on. Now combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, and again whisk them together well. Set the batter aside and whip the egg whites into a soft peak. Now fold the whipped egg whites into the batter. Make sure you mix gently but thoroughly. Lastly, scoop the batter into your waffle iron and cook until the steam stops. We hope you enjoyed the video today. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thanks so much. Ciao!